Hi there, in this video I will show you how to fix Streamlabs game capture black screen. So now here I am playing Roblox and the screen is not showing here. So I will go to Roblox here and click on this setting gear. From here you will find different options. So first of all we have mode. So from here it is set to capture specific window and then we have window option. But in mode section you need to click on auto. As you click on auto, now you can see the screen is showing here. Now the next step is go back and click on sources here. It will take few seconds and now here you can click on window capture. Click on add source. Here we need to select capture method. So click on capture method and here we will go with window 10. And in window section you need to choose which window do you want to display here. So as I am playing Roblox, so I will choose Roblox here. As you choose the window, then click on done and the problem is fixed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.